Thing trapped in the mother closet. 1 through 5. R. Kelly, but singing by Demetrius. Okay, here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 o'clock in the morning and a race when the sun wakes me. I'm stretching and yawning and the bed don't belong to me. And a voice yell, good morning, darling, from the bathroom. She comes out of the kitchen, and to my surprise, she ain't you. Now I got this dumb look on my face, like what have I done? How could I be so stupid to be held late into the morning sun? I lost the track of time. Oh, what was on my mind? From a club went to a home, then that man is standing alone. Here I am, quickly trying to put on my clothes, searching for my car keys, trying to get on up the door. She stretches her hand in front of it, said you can't go this way. Looked at her like she was crazy, said when move out my way. Said I got a wife at home. She said please don't go up there, lady, I've got to get home. She said her husband was coming upstairs. Sure, quiet, hurry up and get in the closet. She said don't you make a sound, know some shit is going down. Said why should I just go out the window? That's just said one thing, me on the 5th floor. Shit thing, quick, put me in the closet. Now I'm in this darkest closet trying to figure out just how am I gonna get my crazy ass up out this house. And then he walks in and yells home. She say, honey, I'm in the room. She hops in there with a smile on her face, say, honey, I've been missing you. She hops all over him and said, I cooked your ranch back for her. You're telling me now this girl's so good that she deserves an Oscar. Throws her in the bed and starts snatching her clothes off. I'm in the clouds like, man, what the it's going on? Not gonna believe, but things get deeper as the story goes on. Next thing you know, a call come through on my cell phone. I try my best to quickly put it on vibrate, but from the way he act, I could tell it was too late. He hopped up and says, "There's a mystery going on, and I'm gonna solve it." And he's like, God, please don't let this man open his closet. He walks in the bathroom and looks behind the door. Said, baby, come back to me. She said, bitch, say no more. He pulled back the shower curtain while she biting her nails and walked back to the room. Right now, sweating like hell. Checked under the bed, then under the dresser. He looked at the closet. I pulled out my Beretta. He walked to the closet. He come into the closet. Now he's at the closet. Now he's open the closet.